Increase the range of your EV with just a few simple tricks. Drive smoother to reduce energy consumption. Be clever with heating. Save your time and money. To make smooth driving easier, you can select Eco Mode for a softer accelerator response. Smooth driving is the key to efficiency. Look to accelerate and brake as gently as possible. Your EV can use the electric motor to generate energy by braking, which is called recuperation. You can utilize that by gently pressing the brake pedal, which will engage the recuperation first, and normal brakes only after the recuperation is maxed out. For maximum efficiency, try to predict the situation ahead as much as possible and maximize the use of the coast function. There is also the Eco Driving Assist, which adjusts the recuperation depending on the conditions and speed limits, so you can drive without even touching the brake. You can also save energy on heating or air conditioning by using them sensibly. Use the My Škoda app to preset the temperature and let the car heat up while still on the charger. This way, you won't spend energy heating the car on the go.